Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to fix Google Play services has stopped. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So I will be showing you a few methods here to fix this one. First, you need to restart your power button or you start or reboot your phone. Wait for your device to turn back on, then check if the error is gone. Step 2, clear cache and data for Google Play services. You have to go to your settings, scroll down, look for apps. Here on apps, you have to locate Google Play services. So you have to locate Google Play services here. Here on Google Play services, you have to look for storage and then you have to look for cache. What you're going to do is you have to tap clear cache, and if you can see clear storage, you have to click that one too. Next is update Google Play Services. So in this case, you can open your browser, go to Google Play Services on Play Store, tap update and restart your phone afterward. Next, you need to disable or force stop your Google Play Services, and then after that, you can enable it again. You can uninstall if you can see uninstall button right here, and then install it again. Next is check date and time settings. Go to settings, system, date and time, and you need to make sure that you have enabled automatic date and time and automatic time zone. Okay, so you have to make sure this one is enabled. Next is update your Android system. Go to settings, system update. If an update is available, you need to install and reboot your phone. Lastly, reset Google Play services. You can go and tap the three dots and reset app preferences or reset your phone. And basically, that's how to simply fix Google Play services has stopped. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.